$420 in 8 minutes. Earn real cash, not gift cards. It's free to join, get paid quickly, and do it for an unlimited amount of time. This is a brand new strategy that we have never talked about earlier on this channel. And I'm sure you have not seen it before on YouTube. It works worldwide as long as you have a computer, a laptop, or a smartphone device. So anyone can benefit from this strategy, and it won't matter if you're a complete beginner or not. This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. Anyways, let's get started. So, this is going to be the first and the main platform that we will be using, and the actual platform that will pay us $400 again and again. This is CrowdfireApp.com. This is the Crowdfire platform, social media management simplified. It is a tool that's going to do social media management for many different accounts for all those different social media platforms for you. Now, you don't need any social media accounts for this. You don't need to have a lot of followers, and you will not be building your social media pages. And no, you don't have to buy or resell this tool. But there's going to be one single thing that we'll be doing that will actually pay us $420 in less than 10 minutes again and again. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. Crowdfire helps you discover and schedule content and manage all your social media accounts from one place. Discover relevant content based on your topic of interest, and you can even test it out for free. If you would like, you can definitely just sign up. You're going to have 3 different features, which you can test out for a limited amount of time. However, bear in mind that if you want to continue using this tool, you will have to pay it, but you don't have to use it. You don't have to pay for it, because that's not what we're interested in. We don't want to build our pages. Come over to crowdfireapp.com. You can read more about it if you want, but this is only the sales page for people that want to use this tool. People who want to grow and manage their social media accounts through crowdfireapp.com. Go to crowdfireapp.com and then scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on this, affiliate or referral. Click on that and you'll see that they have a really unique affiliate program that allows you to earn up to $420 for every new customer you refer to this platform. Every new customer that wants their social media accounts managed. If you keep watching, I will show you a very unique traffic source that has nothing to do with Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You don't have to share anything on social media. You don't need any social media followers for this. You don't have to post any videos and be in front of the camera. It's a unique traffic source. It's literally going to allow you to do in less than 10 minutes. And you can just repeat it for as much time as you prefer. So as you can see, 35% generous commissions. It's real cash, not gift cards. It's absolutely free to join. They have quick payouts. You don't have to wait for months to get paid. You can actually get paid quickly with unlimited earnings potential and easy tracking of reports. Of course, their site is really professional. How it works: you sign up for your referral account, you grab your referral link, you share it in a way which I'm about to show you, and then you just earn money. It's simple as that. You're actually making $35 every single month for the first year if someone keeps using crowdfireapp.com, which can end up being up to $420 from a single customer, and I'm going to show you where you can get hands over thousands of people that want to buy this. So you can just send them your affiliate links. I'm also going to show you bonuses on how you can make even more money. It's really cool traffic source. You're going to love it. So once again, you can just come over and click Join now, and that's going to take you to the next page, where you will need to sign up to their referral program by either connecting with your Google or just entering your email address. After that, they'll ask you simple questions about yourself. Enter that and you will be able to grab your affiliate link. Once you grab your affiliate link, it's time to go to your traffic source. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below, so we can see what traffic source we're going to be using with our affiliate link. Let's say, for example, this is my affiliate link. Keep in mind, this is not actual affiliate link. You'll need to first sign up and then grab your affiliate link, and then with your affiliate link, you want to go to the first platform, which is Fiverr.com. As promised, you will not have to sell anything on Fiverr, and you will not have to post on Fiverr. With that, you can go to Digital Marketing and click on either Social Media Marketing or search for Social Media Management. Specifically for social media management, so these are all the people that are making money by managing other people's social media accounts. They're running their business on Fiverr by selling these services. But I think they're probably doing this by themselves, which takes them a lot of time and effort every single day. They need to manage all those accounts. They need to schedule those posts and daily post creation. They need to do all of that by themselves manually, which takes a lot of time and effort, and they can only manage a couple of them, which includes a limit to their earnings. But if they had a tool which does it all for them, they can make a lot more money with less work. Anyways, if you go to their premium plan, you'll be able to see the 30 days of account management option. And they're charging $395 for 30 days for 4 of your social media accounts. And if you go back to Crowdfire subscriptions, you'll be able to see that for just $37 a month, you could connect up to 25 social media accounts. 5 accounts per network for just $37 a month. So, this tool does it all for you, and you can connect 25 accounts. So, not only he can make a lot more money just by using one plan of these, this tool will do everything for him. It's going to be a lot more easier for him. He's going to benefit a lot from this, and he can connect up to 25 social media accounts and charge a lot more money. They will make a lot of money from this, and they will not have to do the work by themselves every single day. So they will spend less time, but they will make a lot more money. So it's really beneficial for them. And don't worry, you will not have to sell this service on Fiverr. What you will be doing is helping these people that are selling in the social media management service. Here, you'll be helping them by providing them with the Crowdfire app. With the Crowdfire tool that can do it for them, they can make a lot more money by working less. How exactly can you sell it? There's another way you can give them your affiliate link, so they can buy through your affiliate link and earn up to $420. Here's how. So, just in Fiverr, you have 13,000 services available. For example, I will open up this one. Now, you want to go over their contact information, but you should not post your affiliate link here, or otherwise you will be banned. Also, don't use the same messages. In my videos, I would always give you a free script which you can use for such strategies, but in this one, I can't give you a script because if all of you use the same script, you will be banned from Fiverr. So you really want to be careful while doing this. Here's the trick: how you can avoid getting banned and still get affiliates. So, you go over to their contact information. You click on Contact Me right here, and then you'll be able to send them a message. Now, you can say something like, "Hey, I'm really interested in your services. And right before I place my order, can you give me some of your social media accounts so I can see how it works and how your social media accounts are performing?" And in most cases, they will send you some of their social media accounts. You can start talking about the Crowdfire tool, and then you can give them your affiliate link. You just want to take people off of Fiverr, and there are multiple ways you can get people off of Fiverr. So you can provide them with your affiliate link and help them with the tool which will benefit them. And you can make $420 per person. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleaholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.